Hello friends, how are you today? Now I have a question. Do you own a GoPro Hero 6 Black, Hero 7 Black, the new GoPro 8? The question is, how long does your battery last? Well, we all know, for the ones who have the GoPros, it only lasts for about 50 plus minutes to over an hour tops for extensive use. If you go out to a road trip, to an adventure hike, or to whatever activity that you are gonna do, then you will not record everything, right? Because you only have one battery. When you buy the GoPro, it only comes with one battery. Let's go to the solution. Let's do it. And here's the solution for that, my friends. The GoPro dual battery charger. And if you buy this one, it comes with an extra GoPro battery, which is compatible with the GoPro Hero 6 Black, Hero 7 Black, and the new GoPro 8. And out of the box, we have the cable charger, which is Type C, but it doesn't come with a charging brick. So we just have to use any kind of charging brick that we use for our cell phones. We can also plug this one into the computer or our laptops. We have the extra battery. We have the GoPro dual charger. We have an instruction manual. So this is how it looks. It is a small charger. It has kind of a matte finish on the body here. It has a plastic bottom with a GoPro logo, and it has like a matte or rubbery base right here. Now, the GoPro dual battery charger is very light, and this one measures just about 7 centimeters or 2.75 inches. And we have the Type-C cable charger, which is somewhat long enough. So let me measure this one. Now, I measured the cable charger and the length is about 22.5 inches or 57 centimeters. So it's a bit long. So it almost measures like 2 rulers. Now let's put the manual out. Now it's very easy to use. You just need to plug the cable into the Type-C port on the side, and this one goes to the charging brick. Let me just get a charging brick. So this one is a cell phone charging brick, and you just plug this like that and plug into the outlet and it will charge. Now let's try putting in the battery like that. Just a little push and it's good to go. Now let's try plug this one. It will take about 2 seconds to light up. So if it's yellow, then it means it's charging. But if it's green, then means the battery is full. So I can only put one because I'm using my GoPro right now in recording this video. So yep, that's how it looks. So there you go, friends. We have unboxed and tried the dual battery charger. So the question is it worth it? Well, my answer for that is yes. In Canada, I bought this one at Best Buy. And so in the Philippines, the price for this one is here. You can buy this one in Lazada or in Shopee, or I think in most retail stores in the malls. Before I forget, there's a line here on the side of the box that says limited lifetime warranty. So basically, it has a warranty when you buy this one. And it is directly with GoPro. And that's it, my friends, for this video. I hope you enjoy. Let's do it in the next one. Be well.